it's like a 4-prong round connection, kind of like the old trailer hitch connection. That was 5. Here it is, right here, for controlling, basically a winch motor. But this is electric to hydraulic, so the load on it stays pretty much the same. Just wired in this switch that needs a ground to work, but the ground wire is right here. Causes this wire, which we got something hanging on the end there. Find it. But yeah, so this is a new work truck we bought. 91 Ford, 90,000 miles on it. Winch, fiberglass truck box in mint condition. No scratches, or not scratches, but no cracks. It's got 110 that you can plug in. A Jenny, have it sitting in the back. Plug this into the Jenny, and then put the power on the corners in the back. 2-wheel drive, bright yellow, but you can see down the body lines here, everything's still lined up. Look at the gaps in the doors are even. It's in great shape. Spinning lights, so like a utility truck for a city or something, but there's no way with how it rides down the road. Straight as an arrow. It's a 3/4 ton. It's definitely what we need. Wish I had 4-wheel drive, but we can live without it on this one. So yeah, I'm gonna show you here. Made this, the diamond plate aluminum goes over that. I just made a second one to go underneath this one to give us a little extra gap, so it raises out where the switch is going to actually reside, to give it a little more clearance, because the back of the switch is close to hitting it here. So I'll give you another update.